I'm Jodie from Kavala Health. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate a beginner yoga flow or standing. So a great yoga flow for the morning so we can energize, boost our moods. And if you're going through menopause like me, it's a great one for menopause. Also, it's all standing, so it means we're not going to put any weight on our hands, wrists, elbows, or shoulders. So if you've not done any exercise before, any yoga before, please check with your doctor first. Let's begin. Beginning in our mountain or modified mountain with your feet apart, bend the knees. We'll just close our eyes for a moment, grounding and really connecting with our body and breath. You can always have your eyes open too. So let's do slow, even breaths, preparing. Grounding with the feet as we breathe out. When we inhale, we lift our spine, our heart, and awaken. I'm just going to open my eyes now. So we're going to begin with some arm movements first. So keep pressing the feet, soften your knees, and inhale, lift the arms to the sky, big circle. You can look up, bring your hands together, and then exhale, bring your hands through the center to your heart space. We'll do that one more time. Grounding first. Exhale. Inhale. Lift your spine and arms. Look up. Exhale. Bring your hands down through your center. And take your arms all the way down. We're going to do a side stretch. So inhale. Stretch your left arm up. Going over to the right. Exhale. Bend the knees. Breath in back to center. And take your arm down. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Lift your spine, right arm. And go over to the other side. And come back to center. Inhale, exhale. Let's place our hands on our buttocks. We're going to do a little back bend. So I'm going to turn sideways. So let's inhale, lift our spine, chest, engage with your core. And gently push your hips forwards. Do a standing back bend. Exhaling. Breath in back to center. Exhale, release your arms. And we're going to prepare for a half salute. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see my action with the hips and my back. So you can stay facing me, feet hip width. Grounding first. Inhale, stretch your arms to the sky. Now bend your knees. We're going to gently fold forwards, bending from the hips and knees all the way down. Let go of your head. Inhale, slide your hands to your shins and look forwards. And then exhale, we're going to fold all the way down. So remember, bend the knees more if you're very tight. Grounding the feet, core on. We're going to inhale, sweep our arms to the sky. You can back bend at the top and bring your hands together. Exhale all the way down. Let's do one more of our half sun salute. Inhale, lift, press your feet, back bend gently. Exhale, swan dive down gently, bend the knees, especially when you're tight. All the way down, head tucking down and in. Breath in, half lift, bring your hands to shins, bend your knees, look forwards, open heart. Exhale, fold all the way down, bring your belly close to legs. Then sweep your arms up, press your feet, inhale, awaken and energize as we salute to the sun. And then exhale, releasing all the way down and take a little pause and we'll get ready for our next one, including the squat. So we're going to repeat our half sun salute, but we're going to add a squat first with the second round. Feet hip width will go a bit wider. So we imagine there's a chair behind us, switch your core on. Exhale, push back your hips, going down as if you're sitting on the chair, either into a gentle squat, especially if your knees are sensitive, or we can go a little deeper if you're more open and stronger. Hold. One more deep inhale. And then exhale, we'll fold again. Keep your legs bent. Breath in, half lift, either on your fingertips or hands on shins. Exhale, curl back down. Then inhale, sweep the arms up, lift, lengthen spine. You can bring your hands together or keep your arms apart. Exhale all the way down with your arms. We're going to do that one more time with the squat. Core on. Exhale, move your hips back as if you're sitting on a chair. Some of you can go a little deeper if you're stronger. Hold and breathe. One more breath in, hold, and fold forwards. Keep your legs bent, tuck your head down and in. Breath in, let's do a half lift, open chest on fingertips or hands on shins. Exhale, fold down again. Then inhale, float up. Lift the arms. You can do it without your arms. Exhale, back to center and just take a little pause. Maybe even just close your eyes for a moment. Be with your breath. I'm going to step my feet out wide. So let's go as wide as we can, turning your toes out. So we're going to go into a little wide squat with a arm side reach. So your hands can just rest on your thighs. Again, same principle with our squat. Bending at the hips first. Push back and down with your hips, going into a wide squat. Holding it, press our feet evenly. And when you're ready, breathe in, stretch one arm up and going over to the side. And then exhale, bring your arm, hand back to the leg. Breath in, lift, and then exhale over. We can come back to center. Let's see if we can do it one more time. We'll just come up and rest. Engaging core. Breath in, lift, and then going over. Center, inhale and down. One more. Press the feet evenly. Lift, inhale, exhale, over side. And then come back to center. Come up slowly and just turn your toes out and take a little pause here with our legs wide. I'm going to demonstrate our warrior two and our reverse warrior, which is another side stretch. So your legs wide, we're going to turn out with your right leg foot from your hip joint 90 degrees. You can line your heels up and your front foot parallel to the edges of your mat. So let's prepare, grounding the feet. Breath in, lift, open spine, arms. Exhale, bend the front knee, remember, not too deep if knees are sensitive. Check your knee alignment, that kneecap pointing towards that second, third toe. Holding. One more breath, exhale, go a little deeper. Then another inhale, we're going to reverse it. Take your arm all the way over to the other side, sliding your other hand down your straight leg. Keep switching on core, breathe. One more. Then we'll come up, straighten that leg. Let's just take a little pause and then we're going to do this on your other side. So let's externally rotate your left leg, turning out from the hip joint, turning the leg and foot 90 degrees. Line your heels up for the other side now. Grounding the feet. Breath in, lift spine, arms, chest. Exhale, bend your front knee, not too deep, some of you for the knees. Holding here, exhale, deepening. Now when you're ready to breathe in, we're going to reverse our warrior. So take your arms over to the other side. You can modify with your top arm if shoulders tight. Keep pressing feet evenly, reverse your warrior. One more breath, inhale. You can deepen as we breathe out. Come up, inhale, exhale, turn around this leg foot. And you can just step your feet in a little bit closer and just pause here or do a little walking on the spot. Move your hips if you want. And we're going to get ready for the next posture. We're going to do a wide leg, half forward fold and some twisting with it. So just check your feet are even on the ground and we're going to bend the knees with this one. So when you're ready, we're going to move back our hips, bend your knees and just slide your hands either just above your knees lightly. We can go a little deeper just below the knees. But I want your knees to be bent and you'll feel like your back is straight. Looking down. Inhale, and on the next exhale, let's sweep one arm to the sky. Come down, take a nice deep breath in, lengthen spine. Exhale, do your little twist. You can do it with a bent arm. Breath in center, one more each side. Exhale, twist. Breathing in center, lengthen spine. And one more twist, exhale. Come back to center. Slowly curl the spine up. You can heel toe the feet in walk in, maybe walk on the spot, or just be still for a moment. Focus on your breathing. Now we got one more yoga movement. We're going to do some standing cat-cows to finish, which is also a really good one to do in the mornings, just this alone. So I'm going to turn sideways so I can demonstrate what my spine is going to do. So feet hip width again, I'll go a bit wider. Bend your knees. Hands can just be lightly on the thighs, and I'm going to do the cow, the back bend first. So inhale, I'm going to push out with my tailbone, concaving my back. Lift my chest and gently look up. This is the inhale. Now exhale, I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to tuck under my tailbone, rounding my back, tuck my chin in, squeeze my belly. Inhale, do your gentle back bend, push out with your tailbone, hips, open chest. Exhale, curl in with the tailbone, C curve with the spine, belly in, cat. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, the cat, rounding the back, head in. Inhale, open. Exhale, the cat. One more, inhale, open. And then exhale, standing up. I'm going to face you now. You can do more of those, like I said earlier. It's a great one just to do by itself. So just take a little pause, focus on your breathing, eyes open or closed. Just open your eyes slowly now. You've finished your morning flow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, send me some feedback. I'm continuing to grow, learn, so I love hearing from all of you. Have a great day.